let's take a look at the very last little final triangle of our shawl. So we've already completed this square right here, and our last stitch is sitting right here, which would be this point here. So if you take a look, we're going to pick up along this edge and then cast on here, and then we'll create our final square, final triangle that's going to finish out up here. So we're just picking up 19 stitches. There we go. We're going to place our marker here. Pick out a pretty one. And cast on 19. There we go. Awesome. Now we're going to turn our work, and we're going to knit all the way back to that marker. All right, we're back to the marker, and we're just going to move that to the other side. This first stitch after the marker gets purled, and then we are going to knit back all the way to the end. All right, and now we've got the base for our final triangle. It's going to be this one here, and we'll just follow the instructions and be able to finish that off the same way that we did with any of our other triangles.